Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make lemon posset tart. I will make the pastry first. All-purpose flour or plain flour. A little salt. Some sugar. Sift the flour, salt, and sugar together into a bowl. Transfer them into a stand mixer. Add some cold unsalted butter. Keep the mixer at medium speed until you have fine crumbs. I also need 1 egg. Add a little cold milk to the egg. Beat milk with egg. Then gradually add it to the crumbs. Mix to stiff paste, then turn off the machine. Place the dough into the flour table. Quickly shape it into a ball. Cover it with cling film. Let it rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours. My recipe is for 8-inch tart pan. Flour the pan. Then remove the pan. The mark shows how big I will roll out the dough. At this point, preheat the oven at 370 Fahrenheit. Roll out the dough until you make 3 to 4 mm thickness. Transfer it to the pan. Remove the extra from the edge. Make it a ball. Press down the surface. Make the base even and smooth. Trim the surplus from the edges. Press the pastry against the wall. Make sure it sticks out above the dish because it will shrink while baking. I'm making extra grooves for the shape. It is optional. Prick the pastry with a fork. Add the baking beans. Blind baking for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's check the pastry and remove the beans. Brush the egg wash all over the surface. Then back to the oven, bake for another 5 minutes. Five minutes later, the tart is ready. Let it cool down. I will make lemon posset. Heat up the cream at low heat until it thickens and becomes yellowish. By this point, the fat content is quite high. Keep it in the fridge overnight. The consistency will be like butter. If it is not solid like this, it will fail to curdle. After the cream melts, add some sugar. Add the zest from 3 lemons. Mix well, then turn off the heat. Add the lemon juice from 3 lemons. Keep stirring, it will begin to curdle. It's very easy to remove the tart from the pan. Pour the lemon posset to the tart. The remaining posset will go to the ramekin. Keep them in the fridge overnight. I use raspberries for decoration this time. Let's do the calculation. this is the price list of all my ingredients. So this lemon posset tart cost me just over $7. I'm going to enjoy this lemon posset tart with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.